So yes, so I mean the way the flow works is that, like, when a pod starts, the trustworthy, third-party dot that is pushed into the pod by Kubernetes will be presented by the pod will create a CSR, present that jot to Istio along with the CSR, and Citadel will basically go and validate that jot with Kubernetes to make sure it is what it is, and then it will sign the CSR and then send it back. And this jot will just keep expiring I think it's every 12 hours or much less than that. And the CSS will keep getting refreshed periodically along that way. And these CSS are now loaded in the pod. And when Envoy starts up in the pod, it will load the CSS directly from the pilot agent, the pod, and it will use that for doing all the mutual TLS stuff with other pods.
Yeah, and so one of the key advantages here is it gives us a stronger token to use to authenticate a pod when it comes into the system, right? So in previous iterations of Istio, we did not really have strong, we always used the service count jot as it was available. This is a better way to get that credential. And then one other thing to just touch on briefly, so about SDS specifically, about the secret discovery service. So for a long time in Istio, secret discovery service was not actually used. And even inside the context of the pod, secrets in Envoy were loaded from the file system. So today, one of the other changes is that we do actually use the SDS APIs to serve those secrets now. So they're not written into any temporary file system or anything. They're just passed over a domain socket using the UDS protocol.